Hi, Nikhila.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I am good, Nikhila. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. First of
Okay.
all, this is Aruna from Quality Department. Okay. Shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Before starting, then congratulations, Nikhila, for your placements.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Nikhila, and basically, I'm from Bangalore only, and I just got graduated last year, 2021, and I had taken up some courses from CMTI also through online, and I got a lot of experience from the courses, and also I gained perspective of what is required to get placed in a good company. Yeah. So
Then, how did you get to know about CMTI and Prayojana?
CMTI, that is from my college. When I was studying Saptagiri College, I studied there, and Manjunath sir, he was the principal when I was studying, and I had his contact. So he gave the CMTI reference number, and then I got to know about this institute.
Okay. Okay. So you said that I have taken the courses in online, right? So
Yeah.
how effective was the courses? So did that
Uh,
you like help for your interview and all?
yeah, actually, ma'am, it was very much effective because I had taken up two courses which is required for me, that is SketchUp and also the Cutlass preparation. So SketchUp, it is very much clear, and it will give perspective regarding what is going on in the software, how to use the software, and also what is required, the basic knowledge regarding the materials and finishes and everything. And also the Cutlass preparation is also very nice. It is in the effective way which every student can understand. It is in clear way. So yeah, that is how I learned from the software.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Actually, it is very user friendly and also student friendly mainly because everything is clear. Like you can use it very easily, and once we opt for any online courses, it will be visible. Like with my courses, the list in that tab, it will be visible. The courses which I have taken, and also there are some free courses also, which is also useful for students. So and they encourage a lot. The CMTI app is very much useful, and I think everybody should use it and also use the platform from here.
Okay. Okay, Akila. Then what about the staff's coordination throughout the process? How was their coordination?
The coordination was also from time to time, it was perfect. Like there was no lag, because that is very much important. That is when we'll realize, okay, we are in good position or we are in safe position, and it is easy to go through further. So it was where everybody were cooperating so much from the institute, and all the information which is required during the interview or before, to prepare all the guidelines, and tips were also given, so which was useful. And also some special sessions were also created before the interview, just the tips, and the people experience from the particular company, they gave, and they came here and gave the training session, which was like very much useful.
So what do you want to say to your friends
Hear me,
and
ma'am?
juniors?
Friends, yeah, definitely. If they want to get placed in a good company and also to gain experience regarding what is needed to get placed in a good company, then they should come to this platform and learn a lot of experience and knowledge.
Yeah, Nikhila, thank you for your good feedback. I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements, Nikhila. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank